Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another HPA Partner Spotlight. Today, I have here with me Piper Stevens from HR for Health. Hi, Piper.
Hi, Jessica. How are you?
Good. Hey, thanks for joining us today. So we're really excited to have HR for Health as a solution as one of our strategic partners for our HPA members. So to get started, tell us a little bit about yourself and HR for Health, kind of high level.
Sure, absolutely. So, I am an account executive with HR for Health. I have been with the company for a little over 5 years now, so quite a while. And we are an HR platform designed specifically for medical practices. So, we help ensure compliance, make sure practices are compliant with federal, state specific laws, and just really simplify their processes with HR to make things as easy and time efficient as possible.
That's excellent. Yeah. So I actually met you guys at a dental conference. So I understand that you work with both medical and dental practices, correct?
We do. Our founder is a labor law attorney, and his wife is actually a dentist. So that's kind of how we emerged in that industry. But we do work with all physicians, optometrists, dentists, several different industries.
That's excellent. So I know HR is one of those things that, every practice has to deal with, and probably one of the bigger pain points that we hear of when we're working with our members. So you fill a really unique niche for us. So why would a practice kind of consider outsourcing their HR to a company like yours?
Yeah, great question. And I think it really comes down to what the other options are. So, obviously you could hire an HR department. That's extremely costly, not something that most small businesses can afford. And then, of course, the other option is you do it yourself. You try to kind of piecemeal these pieces together and see if you can make it work. It's very time consuming. And because HR is so complex, it really just makes sense to have a company, have a system that's looking out for you and protecting you. Most practice owners know that there is a lot of risk with employees filing claims nowadays. So it's really important to have that insurance and kind of have that protection the same way you need malpractice insurance or something of that nature. So we can really be that tool to fill that need for practices, save them time, save them energy, and ultimately protect them.
Absolutely. And I think another thing that I've appreciated learning about you is really how you guys put technology and automation into your processes, keeping everything up to date, and just kind of at the fingertips of the clients that you work with. So that's excellent.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, with laws changing as rapidly as they do these days, there's really no other way to do this so efficiently. So the software component and the technology component of what we do is huge.
Absolutely. And I think another thing that kind of sets you guys apart is that you also do payroll. So can you talk a little bit about that?
We do. So we have basically two package options. Our first is our core HR package. It'll include everything from an employee handbook, time tracking, paid time off tracking, documents for the team, things of that nature. And there is also the option to add on integrated payroll processing. So where we're actually able to deposit the money, take care of the tax filings, handle all of the back end side of payroll. Just really convenient to have everything under one roof, simplify your different systems, and again, save you time and energy because that is ultimately the goal here.
Definitely. And I was really surprised at how affordable it is. And we'll send out some information on that for our members. But Piper, thanks so much for being here today. And we really look forward to having HR for Health as a strategic partner for our HPA members.
Thanks, Jessica.